While I show you how I made this do-it-yourself aloe vera gel, we're going to talk about some benefits of aloe vera. I use aloe vera on my skin every single day, and it has become my go-to moisturizer, hydration for my skin. Everybody knows that aloe vera is good for healing wounds because it has two powerful chemicals. It has polysaccharides and glycoproteins. Polysaccharides increase cellular movement, and that leads to faster and more efficient tissue regrowth. Glycoproteins are good for inflammation, and it's also a pain reliever. If you went out and you got tanned and you're burned, you should put aloe vera all over your skin to help your skin to heal faster. It will also help to calm down your skin, any redness. You should just keep putting on aloe vera throughout the day. And fine lines from your face, it's been recommended to mix in an oil with the aloe vera, and I've also heard that aloe vera can reduce the look of your pores. So it has vitamins C and E. It is an antioxidant. As you may know, antioxidants help your skin to be protected from aging and sun damage. Aloe vera also soothes and hydrates your skin. It's good for eczema, burns, inflammation. Also good for acne and spots. It is antibacterial, antifungal, which makes it soothing and moisturizing, helping you to defend your skin from harmful toxins. Aloe vera balances out the skin's natural tone and restoring an even texture. It can also reduce facial scarring. It blocks free radicals that are caused by radiation. High in minerals and vitamins, including A, C, E, folic acid, choline, B1, B2, B3, which is niacin, and B6. It's also one of the very few plants that have B12. Some of the 20 minerals found in aloe are calcium, magnesium, zinc, chromium, selenium, sodium, iron, potassium, copper, manganese. I'm just taking each piece and I am scraping off all of the aloe. I find it's a little easier with my nail pressing it, so I'm just gonna do that. And that's it, we just do this over and over again. Don't waste it. Drop your juice. I want all of it. I want it all to sit in there together, so I'm not gonna blend it and separate the meat. I want all of that. So the trick is to let it soak overnight, and you can get the sap off of it, which is the irritant. I love how sticky this is. I mean, it's so sticky, it feels so good. Like, look at that. just using my nails to scrape this all out. Let's see if my thumbnail grows faster than daily nail, huh? Daily nails. Aloe Vera. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, comment for any videos that you would like to see in the future, and give it a thumbs up if you learned anything from this video, if you're going to use aloe vera gel on your skin, if you're inspired by this video, and if you just love me, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys, bye.